Hello everyone and welcome to my channel X7 Scratch Tutorials. My name is Suryansh Kushwaha and today I am going to show you many things about Scratch. So I have made a presentation and I am going to show you. Here it comes. So here it is. I'm going to show you this about Scratch. With Scratch you can program your own interactive stories, games and animations and share your creations with others in the online community. Scratch helps young people learn to think creatively, reason systematically, and work collaboratively. Essential skills for life in the 21st century. Scratch is a project of the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the MIT Media Lab. It is provided free of charge. Who can use Scratch? Scratch is designed specially for ages 8 to 16 but used by people of all ages. Millions of people are creating Scratch projects in a wide variety of settings, including homes, schools, museums, libraries, and community centers. How to download Scratch? To download Scratch, follow the steps. Open Windows Stores, search Scratch, install Scratch, and open Scratch. And I am going to also show you how to download Scratch. So here I open this and here it is Microsoft Store. I'm going to click on this. Okay, here it is. I'm going to go and search. I'm going to type Scratch Desktop. So here's Scratch Desktop, and as you can see I have already installed it, but if you have not installed it, it will appear install. Okay, so after installing it comes launch. Launch means you can say open, so I'm going to open Scratch. So I'm going to start, and here is Scratch Desktop. I'm going to click on it and here it opens. So here it is. When you open Scratch, this is the window which comes in front of you. So I'm going to talk about this window. So this is the place from where you can grab blocks. There are different categories of block which I'm going to talk about this later in the video. This is the place where you can drag and keep your blocks. Okay, this is the place where your sprite is, and when you code here it gets coded for the sprite. Okay, and the thing behind this is called the stage, and you can color it with different colors, places or other things, and it is also called backdrop. And this is costumes. These are the two costumes of this cat. Okay, and in sounds, this is the sound. And this is the green flag clicked. Using green flag clicked you can execute the program here, and using red stop you can stop the program. So I am going to make an animation. So I will go here, and this is the default name of any Scratch project you make, Scratch project. Whenever you save the project, it will be saved with the name written here. So I'm going to rename it Ballerina Dance. Okay, So it has been renamed, and the default sprite of Scratch is the cat. Okay, so I'm going to delete this, and now here are the two buttons, one for the sprite and one for the backdrop. So I'm going to choose a sprite, and here are all the sprites. There are a lot of sprites. Okay, so here are the different categories of sprites also. Okay, so we will go into the dance, and I will choose ballerina, and as you can see, ballerina has appeared, and the center of the stage is x0, x0, y0. Now I'm going to tell you what is x and y. X is this, the horizontal position of the sprite, and y is this, the vertical position of sprite. So I am going to code for this. I will go into the, so here are all the categories of the code blocks that you find: motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, my blocks. So I will go into the events, and this is the when green flag clicked block. The code under it gets executed when you press this, the green flag. Okay, so I will come into the control and take the forever block. Here it is, and then I will go into the looks, and I will take the next costume block. So costumes, there are the ballerina A, B, C, D. Okay, so when I will click this, as you can see, she's dancing so fast, and I don't want it to dance so fast. So I will go again in the control and grab the 1 seconds, wait 1 second blocks. This blocks wait the number of second put here, and after the time is over, it execute the block under it. So I am going to set it at 0.5, means half seconds. I'm going to play this, as you can see. Now I'm going to set a backdrop behind this so it looks a bit more beautiful. I'm going to choose the backdrop. Here are also the categories: all, fantasy, music, sports, outdoors, indoors, space, underwater, patterns. So I will choose music, and in music I will choose spotlight. I'm going to put this here to play this. As you can see, now it is a complete project. Now you will be thinking how to save this project. So there are two ways. The first way is to control save. Oh, the control save don't work. So I will go into the file, and here are the three things. If I will set it on new, then what will happen, this all will get clear, and cat will appear as you see when the scratch is started. And load from your computer is when you have saved the project, and now you want to see it again. And here the save to your computer is to save. We are going to press save to your computer, and I want to save it as ballerina dance. I'm going to save this, and now think that I have turned it new. Okay, now as you can see, now I want to again see it. I will go into the files, load from your computers, ballerina dance. I'm going to open this. Now it has appeared. Now I want to see it in a full screen. So how I will see it in the full screen? I will press full screen control, and as you can see, so only this much for today's video. Next video I will try to show you people something more advanced about Scratch. So